Hey chefs, Charlotte from the EventHelper here to give you a quick tutorial on how to sign up for the USPCA's expanded insurance. In step 1, you will want to choose the state where most of your events occur. Step 2 will ask about the general liability coverage options. You'll want to check with the venue that's requiring you to get insurance to see if they have any special requirements. You can adjust the limits here. If you have any questions about the specific terms, you can click on the little blue buttons for more information. Next step will be to choose when your policy starts and ends for up to a year. Under the eligibility questions, please answer these questions honestly based on your operation. Your name and information goes in step 5. This will be the insured on the policy and will be covering your negligence. The event location can be entered in step 6. If you have multiple locations or multiple people asking to be an additional insured on your policy, you can click the Add Another button. Please know that after you purchase the policy, you'll be able to access your documents 24/7, and you can add additional certificate holders and additional insureds to your policy at any time. After you complete that, please review the answers to your application and the terms and conditions. Once you've reviewed and accepted the terms and conditions, you're ready to purchase your policy. Once you purchase your policy, you will get a confirmation email and be immediately taken to your documents. If you have any questions, feel free to call the EventHelper at 855-493-8368.